Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need manage server or create instant invite permission to proceed, so confirm that first. Open the channel where people should land and choose create invite. In the invite settings, change expire after to never and max uses to no limit. This makes the link permanent until you revoke it. Once done, give the invite a descriptive name or temporary note so you remember its purpose. Make sure the destination channel has the right roles and permissions so new members can actually see useful content. Now fine-tune how the permanent link behaves by adjusting advanced options. If you want newcomers automatically removed after disconnect, enable temporary membership. Otherwise, leave it off so members persist. Make sure the landing channel and role defaults grant minimal visibility. Then add onboarding roles manually or with bot automation to prevent unwanted access. If you use a bot to generate invites, authenticate it correctly and review its permissions. Once configured, test the invite from a different account to verify. Copy the permanent invite and place it where your audience will see it: a profile, pinned message, or external site. Test the link immediately using an alternate account or incognito to confirm it lands in the correct channel and assigns roles as intended. If something goes wrong, first check whether the invite was revoked or replaced, then verify channel and role permissions and that the server still exists. If the invite was generated by a bot, make sure the bot still has required permissions. Reissue the invite if needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.